welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Ammu.
Amma. Today what recipe are we going to make?
Today we are going to make Karnakelangu Moor Masiyal. This is an easy recipe which we can make in a different way. This is a perfect combination to eat with rice. Let's see how to make this simple recipe.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
I have elephant foot yam cut and ready. It's 250 grams. Add it to a cooker. Add water until the top of the yam. Add half teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of salt and close the cooker. Set the pressure. Wait for 2 whistles and turn it off. It whistled twice. Let's turn this off and let it settle. Meantime, let's roast the ingredients and grind it. Now have a pan on the stove and add 1 teaspoon oil, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek, 4 red chilli, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida and roast them all lightly. Now it's roasted. Don't over roast, just a slight roast is enough. Shift it to plate and let it cool. By the time it cools, let's grind the ingredients. Add 4 green chilli, 4 tablespoons of grated coconut and grind it smoother. With the masala ingredients, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and grind it smoother. Now mash the cooked yam smoother. I have half liter buttermilk ready. Add the ground masala into it. Then ground coconut and green chilli. And finally, smooth yam. Blend them all together nicely. If it's thicker, add some water. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 2 dried red chilies, few curry leaves and saute all together. Now add yam smoothie into the pan and mix it gently. It's a little thick. Add some water as needed.
Amma, it's boiling.
Yes, at this stage, add some coriander leaves and check if salt is at the right level. If you need, add some more. That's it. It's ready. Tasty Karnakelangu Moor Masiyal ready. We hope you like this recipe. Please try to make this at home and let us know how it came in the comment section.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.